Welcome to Get Out Go. I'm Christoph and this is my campsite review of South-Eastern campsite at Kagga Kamma Nature Reserve. Kagga Kamma Nature Reserve is located in the Western Cape province of South Africa, around 2.5 hours drive from Cape Town. The closest town is op-die-berg. The reserve is nestled in the South-Eastern Cederberg in a mixture of vast open plains and red sandstone formations. The area is also well known for its scenic beauty, spring flowers and its rich cultural heritage. The South-Eastern camp consists of 5 campsites centered around a large rocky outcrop. There are 3 small sites and 2 large. The campsites have shared ablutions and a pool, fire pits and bins. There is no electricity or water at the sites. Campsite 1 is a small site and will accommodate 2 adults and 1 vehicle or trailer. Site 2 is also small and will accommodate 2 adults and a tent. A vehicle or trailer will have to be parked outside the actual site. The site is right next to the pool and ablutions. Site 3 is another small site that's on the other side of the ablutions and right next to the road. I don't recommend this site. Site 4 is a larger site that will accommodate 4 adults and 2 tents, vehicles or trailers. Site 5 is the largest site and my favorite. It will accommodate 4 adults and 2 tents, vehicles or trailers. It's the most private of all the South-Eastern sites. The shared ablutions have 2 hot water showers and flushing toilets and an outside scullery. The ablutions were not serviced daily during my visit. Last but definitely not least is the op-die-berg camp. This is a bush camp with no facilities. It is very secluded, ideal if you really want to get away from it all. The camp is only accessible with a 4x4. Activities at Kagga Kamma include a 4x4 trail, mountain biking, hiking, quad bike safaris, as well as several different guided tours. Kagga Kamma is a great breakaway from the city, but there is more than enough to keep the adventurers occupied as well. The landscape is stunning and the camping is great. I highly recommend the op-die-berg camp. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.